Hey everyone, thank you so much for stopping by the channel. We're just going to do a little bit of nail art today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to try to not talk too much and just let you guys watch. So I'll see you guys in a few minutes and I hope you enjoy. So I will not be showing you how to do this full strawberry nail in the video. I'll be showing you how to make little tiny strawberries with some solid glue gel. But if you'd like to see the tutorial on the full strawberry nail, please stay tuned for that because I will be uploading that soon. I'm not sure when, but I mean possibly tomorrow or the next day, but it will be soon, so stay on the lookout for that. So all I did was I took a swatch stick, and you need very limited tools. I think I used a dotting tool or even the brush of the polish to create the shape of a strawberry. It doesn't have to be perfect. You just have to create the shape of the strawberry, because what you're going to do is you're going to put solid glue gel on top of the strawberries there. So you're going to be covering up some, or if not most of it. So it really doesn't have to be perfect. Just do your best to create that strawberry shape. And then you're going to use your silicone tool and you're going to mold the glue gel, the solid glue gel, and you're going to mold it so that it can kind of line up. It doesn't have to be perfect. Some of my strawberries weren't really perfect, and I kind of liked that because, you know, I didn't really like, or I didn't really want it to look so perfect, because I kind of felt like it looked more natural and organic if it wasn't so perfect, if that makes any sense. So here I go with the dotting tool. The dotting tool has two ends. It has a smaller and a bigger end. For the full size strawberry nail, I did use the bigger end. For the smaller strawberries, I'm going to be using the smaller end. So basically all you're going to do is you're going to take that red polish, create a strawberry shape. You're going to then take a small ball of solid glue gel and you're going to form that solid glue gel little ball into the shape of a strawberry. Okay, now I'm going to either, you can take your finger or you can take some sort of tool for you to gently push down the gel, because you just don't want it to be a ball. You want it to now take shape. So that's why with the silicone tool, I was using it to form it to create that shape of the strawberry. And I showed you from the side what it looked like, and I'll probably show you a few more times. And now I am adding the leaves of the strawberry, and these are really small tiny pieces. What I did was I took that solid glue gel and a drop or two of some just green Beetles gel polish, and I mixed it together and I created a green solid glue gel. As you can see, I'm trying to get it off of my tool, but now I'm creating really tiny strawberry leaves. And the amounts of polish and solid glue that you're using is very minimal. You are not using a lot. This is just a little bit at a time. And the tools that I'm using, now I'm using this little cuticle pusher, because for some reason it was easier for me to, or the other end, excuse me, of my cuticle pusher, and for some reason it was just easier for me to add the little leaves that way. Then what I did is I took the smaller end of the dotting tool, and you saw me creating little indentations in the strawberry. I probably added maybe 2, 4, 5 maybe indentations, possibly 6. It's really up to you. And you don't want to push all the way through. You just want to gently push and create little divots in the strawberry, just like a real strawberry would look like. We're now creating some texture. And here I'm doing it again so you can see a little bit better how I did it. I know I said I wasn't going to talk much, but then again, I feel like certain people like an instruction or kind of like an explanation through the video because it's, you know, there are people that are visual learners and we have to consider those people. I'm a visual learner myself. Sometimes you might not be able to understand when someone's actually explaining it to you. And, you know, sometimes people will understand better if you are showing it to them. I guess sometimes I'm both ways. But I do like explaining as well because I do like my videos to be informative. That's how I have always been, excuse me. And if I was watching someone's video, I think I would like for somebody to be explaining it so that I would understand it a little bit better, you know, rather than just watching it. Because sometimes in videos, you can't really tell what's going on. There might be a certain angle that you can't really see, you know, so it's a little tough. But so I like to do both. So, and I know I said that I wasn't going to talk much, but I'm going to go. I'm going to go so you guys don't hear me talking much longer. And I will see you at the end of the video. Two things. One, you have to put micro marbles. I used a little micro marbles in the little divots of the strawberries. So that was the last thing that I do to the strawberries besides adding a top coat. And what was number two? I had to pause the video for a full minute to remember what I was going to say. And number two, please, please, please wear gloves when handling these gel polishes, builders, any of this stuff. Just please wear gloves, you know, just to prevent any allergic reactions that may happen. So it's better to be safe. If you watched this video so far, thank you so much for watching, always showing love and support, and I appreciate you stopping by the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video.